All right, guys, welcome back. This is week 9, Carter Engineering Fabrication. I'm Chad. This is one of those weeks where shit just did not go my way. So we're gonna talk about what little I did get accomplished. My wife was very sick. Thankfully, she's on the mend and improving. But I was able to sneak out just a little bit between nap times and bedtime. Got a little bit accomplished, not nearly what I wanted. So two big things to go over today. Um, One exciting project that I'll go into more detail next week, but I'm going to tease it a little bit today. And the other is just a little bit of shop organization. Um, yeah, I'll explain the why as we get into it. But if you're here, thanks for watching, and let's get going. So, talking quickly, going up to my toolbox, here's my metric drawer. It is a mess. Uh, I'm going to open it in slow-mo just for it's so bad. Alright, so we're in here in Solidworks. I'm just going to roll this back a little bit just to show what's going on. Um, Started this one with a block, and as my friend Rob likes to say, just extrude cut away until you get what you want. So, literally did just that in this case. I basically measured the length and width of all the wrenches, the metric wrenches that you saw in the drawer. I should have covered some of that in the voiceover part. So I'm recording this out of order. It's tripping my brain a little bit, but just going through this, adding some self-supported features at the end of each one because I want to add labels. So here I am just closing in. I like to keep all of the printing stuff like within a 30-degree angle. At the camera, there we go, 30-degree angle. So it'll print self-supported. And then just tightening this up a little bit. I added a flange around because there's hardware inside the drawer. So I wanted these surfaces to come out and nest nicely. Here I have all the text, and I printed those. Sorry, I extrude cut those and then reuse the same sketch to make new bodies, and then I end up printing those as separate colors. But that gives me, in this case, what did I do? 40 thou, so it gives me 4 layers of, is that right? Yeah, approximately 4 layers of material of the lettering color. So we get to here, I'm pretty happy with it. First round, split it into 4 pieces. I jogged the cuts a little bit to help this line up and wrap this corner a little better. But from this point, it's just export and bring the files into Bambu. So skipping all the 3D printing, I'm going to jump right into the finished parts. Turned out super nice, wrenches fit great. I've got duplicates and triplicates of all of these. I did run out of black filament, so that's why I had to use white, so it looks a bit like a Valentine's candy. Turned out all right. I do want to show the screwdriver drawer. I'm just highlighting that real quick. That's just a block that I printed to try and keep my most used screwdrivers organized. So next up on the list, like to do a little bit of work, something similar with my SAE drawer. Again, I've got duplicates, line wrenches, ratchet wrenches. It's kind of sorted, smallest to largest, but it's messy. Similar with my 3/8 and half drives. This is a blow molded case, but it's just not good. So one thing at a time, but keep chipping away at it. So my friend and now customer Bill dropped this Jeep off, and it's got a blown motor. Pretty nice otherwise. We're going to go through, and he's got a pretty unorthodox engine swap in mind. So I'm going to go over this a little bit more in detail and kind of outline what Bill's thinking, and it's going to be fun. I'll bring you guys along for this one. So I'm not gonna give a big speech after that. Not a lot to talk about that I didn't already cover. If you made it this far, thank you. You're one of like 13% according to my analytics that make it through the whole video. So those of you that do watch, subscribe, comment, thank you. I'm here for it. Keeps it fun, and I'm enjoying it. So I'm gonna keep sharing what I'm doing. That's all I've got. See you guys next week. I'm out.